morning, class. Anyone who can lead the prayer? Yes, Mr. Rodriguez, please lead the prayer. Then, Mr. President, can you please check the attendance of your classmates? And we will proceed to our lessons. But before that, I will show you 4 pictures and interpret it or describe it in your own understanding. What you see in the PowerPoint presentation? Yes, it is a wheel of bicycle. Then, how can you describe it? It's a perfect circle. And what curve did you see? Close banded curve. A circle curve. Then the next picture is, it is an egg. Egg is oblong. Yes, there is an ellipse curves in the egg. Then the next one is parabola. Yes, you see parabola in the guitar. See this curve, it is parabola. Then the next one is the water, which is curved water. And what curve did you see? It is a hyperbola. Then, based on the pictures that I show to you, what is our topic for today? Yes, Mr. Angeles. Yeah, our topic for today is the conic sections. Yeah. In your own knowledge, what is conic section? Yes, it's a curve. It's a curve. Conic section is also known as conics. It is a particular curves often appear in nature and which have another application in another fields. There are 4 class or types of conic sections. The 4 types of conic sections are circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Circle. The conic circle, it formed when the plane is horizontal. It formed when the plane is parallel to the base of the cone. Then the next one, the second one types of conic section is ellipse. This is the example of, this is the interpretation of or the figure of circles. This is the base of the cone and this is the plane. And you see, it is horizontal to each other. Then the next one is the second types of conic section is ellipse. What is ellipse? Ellipse, it formed when the plane intersects the one and only cone that form bounded curve. This is the figure or the illustration of ellipse. You see that there are two cones, but the planes intersects only one one cone, and it's formed bounded circle here. Bounded circle. Bounded circle is close. Bounded curves. Bounded curves is close curves, which is it is not open. It's like a circle, but not perfect circle. Then the third types of conic sections is parabola. What is parabola? Parabola is it is formed when the plane intersects only one cone and it forms unbounded curves. What is the difference of ellipse and parabola? Ellipse is bounded curve. The parabola is unbounded curve. Which is unbounded curve is not closed, it is all open. It's like a half circle. Then this is the illustration. As you can see, there are two cone and the plane only intersects one cone. Then it formed only one unbounded curve here. Then the last types of conic sections is hyperbola. Hyperbola is formed when the plane intersects not necessarily vertical, maybe it's slanting, and it forms two unbounded curve. This is the illustration. The plane is not necessary vertical, but it can intersect two cones and form two unbounded curve. Note, parabola is one unbounded curve. Hyperbola is two unbounded curve. And this is the difference of conic sections. Conic sections only the plane is intersect one cone, and it is not necessary horizontal. It is not horizontal but slanting, but it only intersect one cone. The circle conic is a horizontal to the base of cone, and the parabola is not necessary parabola is formed not necessary when the plane is intersect not necessary vertical, but it's only intersect one cone and form one unbounded curve. And the hyperbola is formed when the plane intersect not necessary vertical plane, and it intersect the two cone, and it also form two unbounded curve. give each example of types of conic section in real life.